Ready? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ginka with us. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany. And I'm Katie.
Today we're going to show you how to make cafe no mien, which is Laos coffee.
Let's get started. Okay, so it's super easy. We've already brewed using our French press a dark roast coffee. You can use instant coffee. Just make sure you're using a medium to dark roast just because you want it to be strong. So, we're going to show you the recipe to make an individual glass. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. So now you're going to want to fill your cup with lots of ice. Pouring in my coffee. It's still a little warm, which is nice because the ice is going to melt, and you kind of want it to water it down because it is a very sweet drink. And then, based on how sweet you like your coffee, you add some more condensed milk. So I'm going to add another spoonful because I like it sweet. And there you have it. And then I'm just going to mix it up.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. This is a super easy recipe and it satisfies all of my cravings because when I was in Laos, I enjoyed one of these pretty much every single morning, and it really hits the spot.
You get it in a big paper bag and it stays cool for hours.
Yes, and it's so convenient because it has handles.
Today's really hot here, so it's the perfect morning. Sun's finally coming out in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. So we're going to be drinking this a lot all summer. We hope you guys do too.
Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Bye!